Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw a Pompompurin girl. So this is really exciting. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with her eyes. So we're making her a chibi anime girl. So basically what you need to know from that is that she's going to have big eyes. They're going to take up most of her face. So we've drawn the outer part of the eye. Now we're drawing this oval for the inside of the eye. Awesome. Then we just need to add some detail to the inside. So we're going to draw this circle up here. And draw this circle up here. Alright, wonderful. Then we're going to draw this oval right here. Draw this oval right here. And then we're going to color in the smaller oval after we draw this bean shape, just to make her really, really cute. So let's go ahead and color that in. You can take your time, go slow. What matters is that it looks nice and neat. If you scribble, it's gonna look not so great. Oh yeah, just take your time. Then when that's done, we're going to draw these eyelashes down here. Basically just imagine she's wearing a ton of mascara. She's wearing it on her lower eyelashes and her upper eyelashes. But we're going to do the lower ones first. Draw 2 zigzags and color them on in. Beautiful. Then we're going to do her upper eyelashes. Boop, 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 boop. 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. As well as her eyebrows. There we have her eyes. Oh, they're beautiful. Then we draw her nose, it's just a dot, and her smile, it's just a little curved line. Then we can draw her bangs. She has some slightly swoopy, angled bangs. This little part that goes down here. Little piece that curves back up. And then she has these longer pieces down here. Her hair is kind of layered. She has like a short bob with tons of layers. We're gonna do the same thing over here. Boop. Boop. Beautiful, she has her bangs. Let's connect the top of her head really quick. And then add the iconic Pompompurin hat. The little beret. I used to call it a little artist hat as a kid. So we'll add her hat. And then her little floppy ears. Because Pompompurin has little floppy ears. So we got 1. And we got 2. So they kind of look like cinnamon roll's ears, but a lot shorter. A lot shorter. Then we're gonna draw another bang right here. And then her chin. She has a very rounded head. She's really, really cute. So that's what we got so far. We're gonna draw the rest of her hair real quick. Boop. Boop. And back in. There's one side. And we're gonna do the other one. Boop. Boop. All the way back. Beautiful. Gonna move on to her body. In my opinion, the body's a lot easier than the head. So we drew her neck and her collar right here. She has a very fancy outfit on. Very beautiful. Gonna give her some poofy sleeves. Poof, 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 poof. Same thing on this side. Poofy sleeve. Poof, 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 poof. Draw her arms. Her arms are going to be going inward and her hands are going to be in her lap. So we're not going to be able to see her hands. So if you don't like drawing hands, you're in for a treat. We don't have to draw them today. So there we go. Drawn her arms. Then we're going to draw her skirt. So lots of curved lines. And then this curved line for her back. And then some straight lines for detail. The pleats of her skirt. And then her legs go up, down, and stop about towards the end of the bottom of her skirt. Then we'll draw the back of her leg. It curves up. Draw this part of her leg. It goes down. And to make it 3D, we're going to draw the other one on the other side. And then draw the beginning of her cute frilly socks. You can see a little bit of her socks poking through, but we also need to draw her shoes. Very important. We're going to go down, curve, up. Basically, imagine we're drawing an oval, but part of it isn't showing. Do it on both sides. Awesome! Then you can go ahead and color her. Made her yellow and brown, but you can color her any way you'd like. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye for now.